Welcome to the future of STEM education. Today, we are about to embark on a journey that's changing the way institutes, educators, and students experience learning. Hello, I'm Muchul from Digital India. We are here to empower institutes with the tool for comprehensive student assessment. Let's dive straight into the heart of the matter. The past couple of years have seen online tools become very commonplace among every aspect of education. But the same can't be said for assessment in STEM fields. Why is that? It's not for a lack of desire. In fact, frequent assessment is often a top priority for all faculties. The issue lies in the complexities that STEM assessment brings. Currently, the traditional online assessments often confine educators to multiple choice questions, numerics, and fill-ups. These formats do have their place, but when it comes to dealing with intricate landscape of STEM, it's like trying to create a masterpiece with just a few colors on your palette. But that's not where our journey ends. Now, there's another vital concern that also needs to be addressed, and that's organized cheating. This is another factor that prevents educators from conducting regular assignments. So any quiz that is shared to students, the solutions are simply just discussed through an internal messaging app like WhatsApp, and that completely defeats the purpose of having frequent assessment, which is for you to understand where the class is at. This is where we come in. Möbius is a complete game changer. Why? Because it understands constructs and structures that you would work with normally in STEM and even grades them automatically. No longer do you need to be constrained to those standard MCQs. Let's have a look at some examples. You want to grade math expressions? Möbius not only allows you to enter them symbolically by using templates that it already has, but even grades them automatically. Very simple expression. I would be able to enter the answer as sin 2x, or even simply enter the answer as 2 sin x cos x. So it is able to now grade it exactly like an instructor would, and both of them will be graded correctly. You can even now allow for mathematical constructs to be entered directly through these templates, which are very common for a lot of STEM courses. You're grading free body diagrams for physics, Möbius allows you to grade them as well. You can use whatever force that you would want. You're looking at chemistry, enter chemical expressions, do the same if you'd want to. You're teaching code. Let a student identify the errors in the code, and he gets an immediate feedback for the same. Maybe you don't just want to get the final answer. That's what I've shown till now. Möbius even allows you to layer the solution into multiple steps so that you can grade students on a step-by-step basis as well. This is an example. You want to ask a student a final answer. Maybe he gets it incorrect. And you can now, this is a guided solution where you can ask for intermediate steps. First the free body diagram, then the equations, then solving in for an expression, and then finally a numerical. And these can be graded on a step-by-step basis. So definitely with these structures, you can enhance the assessment that you're taking. So these powerful assessment capabilities allow you to handle constructs across, as I've shown you already, a wide variety of STEM domains. Now, how do we go about addressing organized cheating? Because that's what I mentioned earlier. What Möbius lets you do is create algorithmically randomized questions. This simply means that different students, when attempting an assignment, will see different solutions. So their answers can't be the same. Let's take a look at an example. Let's say it's a standard numerical problem where there are two values here. If one student sees one value, another student will see a completely different value. Obviously, they'll not see the solution, but different students see different values. They can't do organized cheating anymore. They'll have to do the calculations themselves. And you're not just restricted to randomizing numbers. You can even randomize chemical formulas in this case. I click on try another, and different students might see different salts available. You can also randomize plots. In this case, the kit will change with different images, and so will the associated solution for it. If you'd want to, you can even randomize numbers in an existing figure. So I click on try another, and you notice the values inside the figure are changing, and so will the solution accordingly. So you're not just, as I mentioned, not restricted to just numbers, and this can be used extensively across STEM. So with Möbius, frequent and meaningful assessments are no longer a challenge but a reality. It's time to embrace a future where assessments align seamlessly with the diverse and intricate world of STEM education. Möbius will become your partner in transforming STEM assessments. Thank you for joining us on this journey. To learn more about Möbius and witness its impact firsthand, visit our website or schedule a personalized demo. Subscribe to our channel for more updates and remember to hit that like button if you found this video insightful.